Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Miss Amara and I welcome you all in mathematics class of grade 4. My dear students, I hope you all are fine and you are studying well. Yes, that's great. Dear students, as previously we had learned that how we can convert the decimals into fractions. So I hope you practiced for that. So now recall your memory because today we are going to convert the fractions into decimals. So are you ready to learn? Great job. Before learning, let's go through the objectives of our today's lesson. Upon completion of the lesson, we shall be able to understand the concepts of decimal fractions. We shall be able to know how to read decimal fractions. We shall be able to understand the relationships behind decimal places to convert fractions into decimals. So, I hope you all are ready to learn. Yes, so here we have two methods for converting the fractions into decimals. Let's look at the first method. If denominator is not convertible to 10, 100 or 1000, by using multiplication, we can convert the given fraction into decimal by using long division method. For example, here we have a number 5 and 7 upon 8. Here 5 is the whole number and 7 upon 8 is the fraction. First of all, we have to look at the denominator. If we can multiply it by a number to make it as 10, 100 or 1000. If we cannot convert it, then we need to do the long division. As here we are dividing 7 by 8. So dear students, when we divide 7 by 8, we are getting 0.875. So our answer will be 5.875. Now let's look at the second method. To convert the given fractions into decimals, first we have to check the denominator of the mixed fraction or the improper fraction if it is convertible to 10 or 100 using multiplication. If it is convertible by using multiplication, then we can convert the given mixed number or the fraction into decimal. For example, if we have a fraction 3 upon 5, so we have to think that can we convert the 5 as 10 or 100 or 1000 by multiplying a number? Yes, here if we multiply 5 by 2, we can convert it as 10. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 and we can change the denominator as 10. Dear students, now we know that this is called 6/10 and in the decimal form we can write it as 0.6. Let's learn through examples. Let's have an example 3 upon 10. So how we can convert it into decimals? Dear students, if in the denominator we have only one zero with a 1 like 10, then we have to write the numerator as it is. If it is 10, we need to place the decimal point after one digit from the right hand side, and before that we can put 0. So 3 tenths will be 0.3. Let's take the next example. 4 upon 25. So first of all, we need to check the denominator. Can we convert it as 10, 100 or 1000? So here we have 25 in the denominator. So let's think that how we can convert 25 as 100. Yes, if we multiply 25 by 4, we can convert it as 100. So we have to multiply 4 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. 4 times 4 is 16 and 25 times 4 will be 100. So now this fraction can be written as, first of all we need to write 16. Now just look at the zeros in the denominator. We have 2 zeros in the denominator. So it means that after decimal point there must be 2 decimal places. So it means we need to put the decimal point before 16, and in the starting we can put 0. Let's have one more example. 8 upon 5. So we need to look at the denominator. 5 can be changed as 10 if we multiply it by 2. So when we multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, we get the fraction as 16 upon 10. And in the decimal form, it will be 1.6 because we have 1 0 in the denominator. So after the decimal point, there must be only one place. Let's have the next example. 7 upon 500. So can we change 500 as 100 or 1000? Yes, if we multiply 500 by 2, we can convert it as 1000. So it will be 14 upon 1000. Dear students, we have 3 zeros in the denominator. So it means that with the numerator 14, after the decimal point, there must be 3 places. We have only 2 numbers, so we can put 0 by ourselves to make 3 digits. So our answer will be 0.014. Let's summarize our lesson. If denominator is not convertible to 10, 100 or 1000, then we have to use the long division method. If we can convert the given fraction by multiplying with a number in the form of 10, 100 and 1000 in the denominator, then easily we can change that fraction or the mixed number into the decimal. The person who does the work is the only one who learns. Yes, so now it's your turn to do the work. Thank you, my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.